Hi folks, Andy Kimbel here, host of Boat Talk Live Radio and also of the Boat Guys Show on this YouTube channel and other platforms. We've got some exciting news to share with you. We're going to be taking Boat Talk Live Radio across the country, across North America, via podcast channels. We're going to be available on every major podcast distribution channel in the country, around the world actually, but our program caters to boaters in North America. We discuss all aspects of life on the water. Getting into a boat, getting out of a boat, cruising, navigation, outfitting your boat, electronics, weather, you name it, cooking on board, having your pets on board. We have covered it all, and we're going to continue to cover it all. Everything having to do with life on the water is what we talk about on Boat Talk Live. Whether you're a sailor, which is my personal background, or into power boating. I probably delivered more power boats in my tenure in this industry than I have sailboats. So my personal thing, as a lot of you know who follow the show and who I've been in conversation with know that my personal background and passion is sailing. But I've been on a lot of power boats and delivered a lot of power boats and enjoy that as well. Look forward to having you participate in the show in Boat Talk Live. You'll be able to do so when we do the live show on radio by calling in 515-605-9888. And our live show times will also be available on the podcast, so you'll be able to call in and talk with us directly. In addition, we hope you get a lot out of the show that we've been doing for quite a long time now. We talk about all aspects of boating. If you're interested in getting out of your boat or into your next boat, give me a call. 241-747-0072. There's no pressure, there's no obligation to use us as brokers, absolutely not. But even if you're working with another broker, a dealer somewhere in North America, and you want to get some information to boat value and so forth about your boat, about what the possibilities are, what your objectives might be getting into your next boat, and how we can help you with that, whether you use us or not to do it, it's okay. Again, 747-241-0072. We look forward to you joining Boat Talk Live with Andy Kimbel on your favorite podcast channel. We'll see you soon. Take care.